4 Norwegian ports, 1 enormous ship, and a little green railway climbing from a fjord into the mountains.
We usually choose an interior cabin. This time we booked a balcony, and those morning views changed the whole holiday. This is our leisurely holiday story, using the photographs and clips we captured.
We sailed from Southampton on Saturday the 2nd of September 2023. After a day at sea came Haugesund, Flåm, Olden and Kristiansand, followed by one last sea day and our return to Southampton.
Our journey began at Southampton's Horizon Cruise Terminal. Seeing Virtuosa above the roof made the size of the week ahead feel very real.
Horizon opened in 2021 and MSC Virtuosa was its first visiting ship. More than 2,000 solar panels sit on the terminal roof. Virtuosa stretches 331 metres with 2,421 cabins for 6,334 guests. Hard to miss.
We normally save money with an interior cabin, but this time we treated ourselves to a balcony. It was one of our best decisions. Coffee outside, watching mountains, waterfalls and changing light on the water. It felt like waking up inside a postcard.
Our first sea day helped us learn the ship. Its 19 decks are named after composers, although after dinner we still occasionally took the scenic route.
The centrepiece is Galleria Virtuosa, restaurants, bars and shops beneath an enormous LED ceiling that constantly changes above you.
MSC currently advertises 11 dining venues and 21 bars. The useful question is what your fare includes, preferably before ordering with heroic confidence.
Main dining and the buffet give you plenty of included choice. Specialty restaurants, selected drinks and some experiences can cost extra, so check before ordering.
First sea day, Chi Chi started with the menus. I nobly volunteered to help, all in the name of serious cruise research. On Monday the 4th of September we reached Haugesund, a coastal town between Stavanger and Bergen with a proud maritime character.
Hei fra Norge, hello from Norway. We explored independently. The centre is roughly 950 metres from the main cruise pier, normally about a 20-minute walk.
Haugesund expanded rapidly with the herring fisheries from the 1840s. Fishing, shipping and the sea still shape the waterfront you see today. The region is also linked to Norway's Viking kings. Haraldshaugen was raised in 1872 to commemorate 1,000 years since Norway's traditional unification.
Walking into town cost us nothing. For 2026 planning, the hop-on, hop-off bus is listed from 495 kroner, roughly £38. Norway introduces the hills early. Bongo called the bridge free cardio. Check transport options if needed. Flam gave us the fjord arrival we had imagined. Still water, towering mountains, and Virtuosa sitting at the end of the valley.
The village lies on Fjord, deep inside the Sognefjord region. Chi Chi found the photo spot, I found the station, only minutes from the ship. The Flåm Railway climbs about 20 kilometres to Myrdal, 867 metres above sea level in roughly 1 remarkable hour, without requiring mountaineering boots. Construction began in 1923 and took around 17 years. The route has 20 tunnels, with 18 excavated largely by hand through difficult mountain rock.
I claimed the window seat, and Bongo was politely told not to block it. Outside came farms, rivers, waterfalls, and impossibly steep slopes.
Around 80% of the line runs on a gradient of 5.5%, exceptional for a standard gauge railway. It remains a tremendous feat of engineering.
Then came Kjosfossen. The train pauses beside the roaring waterfall, and the spray reaches you before you have even decided where to stand.
Through the spray appears the Huldra, a forest spirit from Norwegian folklore, dancing in red. No, that was not something we ordered with lunch.
This was one of the most memorable experiences of our cruise. Take a window seat, but remember to look up and enjoy it without a screen.
Tickets can open 120 days ahead. Compare direct prices with the ship excursion and book early. Popular cruise day departures can fill quickly.
If your cruise calls at Flåm, we absolutely recommend this journey. The railway, waterfall, and fjord scenery are unforgettable.
The next morning brought Olden. Low cloud and mist changed the mood completely, making the fjord feel quiet, dramatic, and slightly mysterious.
Olden sits at the end of Nordfjorden. From the pier, the valley opens towards emerald water, rivers, waterfalls, and arms of the surrounding glaciers.
Glacial meltwater helps give Oldevatnet its distinctive green colour. That water continues through the Olden River and eventually reaches the fjord. American artists William and Anna Singer arrived in 1913, fell in love with the landscape and eventually made their home in Olden. Very understandable.
We travelled inland on the little road-going sightseeing train. I enjoyed the scenery. Bongo was mainly pleased it was doing the walking for us.
This is the small sightseeing train in our photographs, not the Flam Railway, Lewin Skylift, or a Briksdal excursion. Different day, different adventure.
The landscape was the real attraction. Fast water, farm buildings, waterfalls, and mountains disappearing into the clouds above us.
For 2026 planning, the Loen Skylift is 650 kroner return, about £50. A port package with transport starts from 860 kroner, roughly £67.
Brickstyle shuttles start near 575 kroner, about £45. Open-top glacier tours are around 400 kroner. We did neither.
Our final Norwegian call was Kristiansand on Thursday the 7th of September, a compact southern city ideal for an independent walk.
The centre is roughly 10 to 15 minutes from the cruise area, so we walked. Good shoes, no tour booking, and our favourite price, free.
King Christian IV founded Kristiansand in 1641 as a strategic port. Its ordered central street grid is still known as Kvadraturen.
Postbyen is the oldest part of town, with long rows of low white wooden houses and a calm character made for wandering.
Kristiansand Cathedral is neo-Gothic, completed in 1885 and among Norway's largest cathedrals. Its bright interior became a natural centrepiece of our walk. Chi Chi decided this Norwegian moose, an elg, would make a lovely new pet. I mentioned the luggage allowance and the antlers.
Back aboard, Friday was our final sea day. One last meal, one last balcony view, and a little more serious research into the drinks menu.
A ship this large offers plenty, but bigger is not automatically better for everyone. What matters is whether its choices suit your holiday style.
We loved mixing lively evenings with peaceful moments outside. That contrast, entertainment inside and open sea beyond the door, is a special part of cruising.
Our photographs carry much of this chapter, so we are letting the best memories move and breathe, without pretending every coffee had its own film crew. This cruise suits travellers wanting spectacular scenery, easy independent ports, and plenty of choice aboard a very large, modern ship.
The ship was fantastic and our balcony was worth the treat, but the real star was Norway. Mountains, waterfalls and fjords that touched our hearts.
All prices shown are July 2026 planning guides. Compare the same cabin and dates, then include drinks, service charges, Wi-Fi and excursions.
We saved by exploring compact ports independently, then spent on the experience that mattered most to us, the unforgettable Flåm Railway.
If you are considering the Norwegian fjords, our advice is simple. Do it. This was a breathtaking holiday we will never forget. If this helped you plan, please like and subscribe. It is free and genuinely helps us. Check the links below for current trip prices and offers.
Thank you for sharing our Norwegian journey.
Until the next adventure, take care and happy cruising.